Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Samna Sading from Shah Model Schools, your general science teacher for level 1. The topic which I am going to discuss with you people today is my body. My body is made up of many parts. Each part has a special name, position and function to do. As you all know that we have different parts in our body and they have different names and they perform different functions for us. Let's read the names of the body parts. Head, hair, ear, eye, mouth, nose, tongue, finger, hand, foot. These are the different parts of the body which we all have. Now we will learn the functions of these body parts. Number one is head. At the top of our body is the head. We have hairs on our head. Can you feel the hairs on your head? Yes, we all can feel hairs on our head. Number two is ears. On the side of our head are two ears. How many ears do you have? We have two ears. All the human beings have two ears. We can hear with our ears. What we can do with our ears? We can hear different sounds from our ear. Okay, the front side of our head is face. The top of our face is a forehead. As you all know that the front side of our head is a face and we have different organs on our face. The top of our face is a forehead. We have two eyes on our face. We can see with our eyes. What we can do with our eyes? We can see different things with our eyes. Now, next is nose. We have a nose and we can smell with our nose. What we can do with our nose? We can smell with our nose. And a mouth. We can talk with our lips and eat with our mouth. We also have a tongue. We have a pair of lips on our mouth. You can see in this picture, here is a tongue and two lips, which means a pair of lips means two same things. Pair means two same things. Okay. Next is we have teeth inside of our mouth. What we have inside of our mouth? We have teeth inside of our mouth from which we can bite the food. We have two cheeks and one chin. We have two arms. Each arm has an elbow, wrist and a hand with 5 fingers. How many fingers do you have in your hand? We have 5 fingers. Let's count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 fingers. We have 2 legs. Each leg has a thigh, upper part, the knee, the middle part and an ankle and a foot. Each foot has 5 toes. Each foot has 5 toes. As we all know that we have 5 fingers in our hand as well as we have 5 toes in our foot. Let's count the toes. Number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 5 toes in our foot. Can you feel something on your body? The thing which we are feeling on our body, that is called as skin. Skin is a thin layer. Our whole body is covered with a thin layer which is called as skin. Our whole body is covered with a thin layer which is called skin. Okay, next Till now we have learned about different parts of the body and their functions. Now we will come towards another topic, which is senses and their sense organs. The eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin help us to know everything around us. They are our sense organs. We have 5 senses. All we know that the eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, these all organs helps us to feel everything around us. So we have 5 senses. Number 1 is sight. Sight means to see, यानी कि देखना, किसी भी चीज को देखना. We can see things around us with our eyes. We can see things around us with our eyes. Here you can see a boy in the picture. He is trying to see something with his eyes. Number 2 is hearing. Hearing means to hear, sunna. We can hear different sound with our ears. What we can do with our ears? We can hear different sounds with our ears. Here you can see a boy in the picture. He is trying to hear something. Number 3 is smell. Smell means सूंघना, किसी भी चीज को सूंघना. We can breathe and smell with our nose. What is the meaning of breathe? Breathe means सांस लेना and smell means सूंघना. We can breathe and smell with our nose. As you can see in this picture, the boy is smelling a flower with his nose. Next is taste. We can taste food with our tongue. What is the meaning of taste? Taste का मतलब है किसी भी चीज को चखना. We can taste different types of food with our tongue. Here a boy is tasting an apple with his tongue. Number 5 is touch. We can touch and feel things with our skin. We can touch and feel things with our skin. What is the meaning of touch? Touch means छूना या महसूस करना. In this picture you can see the boy is touching the drops of the water with his hand. As we all know that our whole body is covered with a layer of skin. So our hand is also covered with skin. So we can feel with the skin. We have learned senses and their organs. Now we will learn that how we can become healthy and strong. We should take care of our body so we can be healthy and strong. Food makes us strong and healthy. It helps us to grow well. It gives us energy to work and play. We must also drink plenty of water to make our body fresh. You can see different pictures on your screen which shows that if you eat healthy food which are vegetables or fruits, and also drink plenty of water, you can be strong and healthy like a boy in this picture. Now, how can you keep yourself healthy? Here are different ways by which you can keep yourself and body clean and healthy. Ways to keep our body clean. The habit of cleaning ourselves keeps us healthy. If you keep yourself clean, you will be healthy. Brush your teeth twice a day before going to bed and after waking up. Take a bath every day with soap to remove dirt and sweat. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Trim your nails regularly and keep them clean. Wear clean clothes every day. Use a handkerchief to blow and clean your nose. Use soft cloth or earbuds to keep your ears clean. Wear shoes to protect your feet from dirt and germs. So, these are the different ways by which you can keep yourself clean and healthy. I hope that you will try now to keep yourself healthy and clean. Now here is a small activity for you people that try to learn the names of your body parts with spelling and also write in your rough notebooks. That is your homework. By this homework you can be able to learn the different body parts with the spellings, and you will also be able to write them. I hope you have enjoyed and learned the topics which I have delivered to you. Thank you.